Hello children, in this video we are going to solve comprehension question answers of the poem Caged Bird. Question number A. Answer the following questions. 1. What does a free bird do while flying in the sky? And the answer is, as a free bird flies, it jumps to a great height among the winds and floats downstream, dipping its feathers against the beauty of the setting sun, flies fearlessly across the sky, making it its own home, and thereby enjoys itself in the lap of nature. Question number 2. Where can the song of the caged bird be heard? And answer is, the song of the caged bird can be heard in the distant hills. Question number 3. What does a free bird think about? Answer is, the free bird thinks of the different breeze and the trade winds and how it would fly across the sky against these winds. It thinks of the fat worms which can be found in the lawn in the early hours of dawn. Question number 4. What is the state of mind of the caged bird when he sings? Answer is, as the caged bird sings, it longs for the unknown places it could never travel to and constantly thinks of gaining freedom from its captivity.